additional part. Yesterday also during my offline classes I have given you some revision assignment, and today we are going to continue with that one. Okay, so everyone is ready with their copies and pencils. Let me see who is going to write down. Let's see. Okay, good morning, ma'am. Okay, Nandini, good morning to you. So, everyone is ready? Let's start. So, here, okay, Inakshi, Trishita, everyone has joined. And Shomrik, I hope, yes, everyone is ready. And Shomrik, I hope you are not having any problem for, am I audible and visible to all of you clearly? Am I audible and visible to all of you clearly? Okay, so let's start. Okay, so today's question number 1. Today I am going to give you some multi-choice questions. You will be having 3 options over here and you have to choose any one of them. Okay, so let's start. So which one is odd out of these 3? So which are these 3 words? So here comes the 3 words that are lap, tap and wax. So we are having 3 words over here, lap, tap and wax. Can anyone tell me which is the odd one out of these 3? So I am getting the answers. Trishita, Nandini has given me the answer. Now why wax is the odd one? Because we can see that L-A-P, T-A-P, that means it's A-P sound word. This is also A-P sound word, whereas wax is a A-X sound word. How do we sound X? Z, right? Come on. So, here comes wax. Wax is the odd one out of this 3. Now, question number 2. Which one is I sound word? So let us see the options. So we are having the options pup, nut and bin. So already I have received first answer from Nandini, second from Arju, third Ayushman, then after Trishita, Inakshi is also there. So I sound word, that is bin, because P-U-P, pup, it's a U sound word. N-U-T, nut, it is also a U sound word, whereas B-I-N is a I sound word. Very good. Now let's go for third one. So the third question is, how many men went to catch the hen? So are 10, 12 and 8. So how many men went to catch the hen? So let's see how many are giving the correct answers. Yes, Shugato, Arjo. Arjo has given the answer in full sentence. Very good. Shomrik, and the first one to give the correct answer was Ayushman. Very good, Ayushman, Nandini and Shomrik. So 10 men went to catch the hen. Now let's go for the next question. After okay, so let's go for the fourth question, and the fourth question is, to whom did Johnny Joe went? To whom did Johnny Joe went? So let us find out which are the three options. So Johnny Joe went to soldier, tailor or banker. To whom did he went? Yes, Nandini, very nice. Ayushman, very good. So soldier, tailor and banker, we are getting the correct option, that is tailor. And as soldier and banker has not been mentioned in our poem, so we are not going to take the options, because there were only 4 social helpers who have been mentioned in our poem, right? And these two are out of that list. So let's go for the fifth one. And what is the fifth one? So who helped Johnny Joe? So let us find out the options. Doctor, Mason and Taylor. So who was the one who helped Johnny Joe at last? And that was doctor who helped Johnny Joe at last. So students, today I am going to conclude my English class over here, because we are going to start our science class on time, and I will be back with your science class, and I hope you know ma'am has given you the instructions. You will be ready with your uniform, and till that time, bye bye.